Quick Start: 10 Tactics to Profit Acceleration. We've just explored 10 of the 25 plus ways that we know will dramatically increase the revenue and profits for any business. Since we like to underpromise and overdeliver, we deliberately kept our percentage increases extremely conservative, keeping them all at a mere 5%, except for the marketing and advertising secrets, which we stated at a conservative 10% increase. We wanted each impact to be believable and achievable. Do you realize that these minor increases over just these 10 areas, easily attainable by any business, would more than double your profits? This spreadsheet highlights this exponential growth pattern. In this example, we have a company with $1 million annual revenue, a 20% net profit margin, and a 50% gross profit margin. Since most businesses have already covered their rent, the utilities, salaries, insurance, etc., you can measure all additional sales by your gross profit margin. So for every $100 you generate in additional sales, and with your 50% gross profit margin, you increase your profits by $50. Over 10 areas, exponential growth takes over, and your business would generate a cumulative increase of 62.52%, which is an increase in revenue of $625,201. Furthermore, you've cut costs by 5% or $40,000. So overall, you've seen a total profit impact of $352,600, which is a 176.3% profit impact. Seriously, any business can easily duplicate these results and with minimal effort. Are you ready to grow your business? Would you like to double or triple your profits? Then let's get started today. What you've seen is just a fraction of what we can do for you. Here's to your success.